dedicated to our lovely Ramadan. Ladies and gentlemen, we will conclude on the give letters. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya.
On behalf of both the Governor Naidu family and especially on behalf of Auntie Rambi's children and immediate family, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude. First and foremost, we offer our humble thanks to the Divine, whose great Harshan Governor, thank you for guiding us through this sacred rituals with such devotion and clarity. Your chanting and explanation brought deep meaning and peace to this important ceremony. To every family member, friend, neighbor, well-wisher who has gathered here today, and to those who have supported us over these past 15 days, we offer our deepest thanks. Your physical presence, your shared prayers, and the sheer strength of your collective love have been a pillar of strength to the family. It is you, our community, who are with us through every milestone of life. You have truly embodied this spirit. A special thanks to you, to everyone who have traveled from near and far to be with us. Your effort underscores the love and respect you held for our dear mother. To those who have silently helped, behind the scenes, organized, prepared the offerings, and ensuring today's ceremony flowed smoothly, we see you and we are profoundly grateful. Your selfless service is the unseen foundation of today's gathering. The words of encouragement, the shared memories, and the tears we have shared together have been a balm for our grieving hearts. You have helped us transform our sorrow into a celebration of a beautiful life. As we conclude the ceremony of remembrance, we carry forward not just the pain of parting, but the immense gift of Nana Savory Governor's legacy. Magnified by your kindness, we will forever cherish the support you have shown to our family. From the depths of our hearts, thank you. May you all be blessed with good health, happiness, and the loving protection of your own families. A special thank you to our speakers, the Sri Veera in Perumal Temple for the hire of hall and catering, the Saraswati Prayer Group for the melodious music, Millennium Stage for the decor, Charlotte for the flowers, and family and friends for their financial contribution. We really thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Please partake in the tea and eats provided, and safe journey home. Shanti.
Ladies and gentlemen, come to the end of this program. If you call up the immediate family to come and do a last Vivaradhane. So we all rise for the concluding prayer, please. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Mukti Ariyade Mukkurdu Muyalvede Pattineri Aravide Paravidangal Parumanam Chittavanam Aravide Shivamayi அத்தெனக்கு அருளியவாய் ஆற்றலுவாய் ஆஜோவே எல்லாம் நெறிதன்னி நெறியாக தெரியுழன்று சேராமல் இருவருளே சேருமணம் அறியோன்றும் இல்லாதே கூத்தந்தன் கோகிழக்கே அறியம்பனும் அருளியவாய் ஆற்றலுவாய் ஆஜோவே என்னை நானும் அழியாதே You are
निजामः सुगन्धं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिवा बन्धना मित्रोर्मोक्षमावृतान् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामः सुगन्धं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिवा बन्धना मित्रोर्मोक्षमावृतान् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामः सुगन्धं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिवा बन्धना मित्रोर्मोक्षमावृतान् कल्लाप्रियं करुणाप्रियं कसुजिगे எல்லாப்பிரியம் நினையாப்பிரியம் நினைந்திரத்தை சொல்லாப்பிரியம் துரியாப்பிரியம் தோழாப்பிரியம் எல்லாப்பிரியம் கொடுத்தருவாய கச்சேகும்பன அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தனி பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி ஓம் நம சிவாய ஓம் நம சிவாய ஓம் நம சிவாய. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம், நமஸ்காரம், நமஸ்தே, ஓம் சாய்ராம். And a very good evening to you. You may kindly take your seats. The service this evening was rendered by the Saraswati Service Group, accompanying musicians and tabla speaker playing, harmonium with Mervyn Ramsamy, and my name is Mervyn Kistan. We would like to thank the family for allowing us to be part of the service this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we will leave the premises without partaking in the refreshments that's been provided for you. If you're driving, please drive home safely. Mikka Nandri, Vanakkam. Thank you.
Good service.